Thank you, thank you.
And we also have the Brio, a refreshed look. So redesigned front bumper. For the sides, we have the side skirt and new design 16-inch alloy wheels. Still the back side turning lights. And inside it's full leather.
Cool, that's
Because before, half of the seat is fabric, which is a suede cloth and a leather. And there are red trimmings on the panel.
one automatic.
So the second row we have the air vent. And what I like about it, it's all black interior from the headline.
Even.
Yes, up to the floor. And this one is priced at 1,128,000 pesos. You still have the spoiler redesigned under spoiler.
RS model.
Yes, this is the RS badge, newly designed RS badge. This is the hatchback version.
Hatchback.
Hatchback does not yet have the Honda sensing. This is the nice color, brilliant sporty blue.
Yeah, good color.
Invite your friends to visit us. We're located in front of SM Clark.
New BRV.
Yes, this was just launched also last year. November last year. This is also the top variant. If you're seeing the Honda Sensing, we're starting to introduce it among the model lineup of Honda. Only the Brio and the Super Hatchback does not have it. And some variants of this one. And the signature of an all black interior on the BRV VX.
Now 7 seats this model.
Perfect for family.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, knowing Filipino culture, we want to take everyone with us. Oh,
It's not power.
yes, not your power trail. Just the right size. For the price, it's reasonable. Compared to the CRV, of course. CRV has a wider stance.
And CRV. Maybe in this year can update model.
This year we will see a refreshed one. It's an old. I think the smaller Rio.
Now how much is
This is costing. This is priced at 2,030,000.
2,030,000?
And of course, the newly launched, which is top selling or selling like hotcakes, are the Brio and the City.
So Brio is more popular right now.
Yes. Because considering its price, the market is well priced and it can sit 5. This has always been the popular one. You
if
can reach
someone.
me on Viber, WhatsApp. This is my Facebook page. QR code.